What?
Hello, sir, my name is Shobkumar. I am from India.
Okay.
Today my one entry from India. Then my friend like Surinder Singh from India. He applied from myself.
Okay, so you just registered today. You just registered today,
Yes.
or are you an old member?
Already member. Last week I am joined.
Oh, so you joined last week?
Yes.
Last Friday.
Today?
My downline.
What's your name again?
My Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar.
Ashok Kumar. Hello, hi.
India pharmacy.
Yeah.
India.
Yeah. So watch out.
All India, you are paid. Excitedly paid. You, I am going. I am buy ticket. I am give by hand at TV channel coming covering full newspaper covering. You are exciting paid. Please give me powerful message for it.
Yes, to all the downlines and to all the future downlines of Upline
Ashok Thania.
Ashok Tanya. Yeah, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but guys, to all the future downlines of this person, of your upline in India, watch out for this person because this person is believing that he will create a big network in India. And I suggest you have to be there first before somebody in India will join AIM Global. So be a pioneer in India, be a pioneer in your country, because I know for a fact that you will become very rich in India with AIM Global. So this is your upline, this is your coach Roy Cueto, and I've been doing this for the past 20 years in AIM Global, and right now I am one of the top distributors of this company. Okay, so guys, to all the future members of AIM Global in India, watch out, because in a few years time or months maybe, we will open in India.
Surinder Singh, first guy of India history here. First guy.
Yeah, the first.
Surinder Singh, good.
Yeah. He'll be the first one who will open in India. The first one who will start a business growing in India. Power and
Surinder Singh from Punjab, India.
India is the.
Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Right.